Hey, hello, good family. Hope you all are doing good. All of us also doing okay over here. Well, I'm sorry for the voice. Actually, I got kind of, you can say, sore throat or something like that due to cough and cold, and that's why my voice is like this. By the way, I would like to request to all of you, please donate something in the name of the dog's food so that the dogs can eat and they can survive. Without your help, without your kindness, it is quite impossible for the dogs to be alive. Well, today I'm going to give the dogs boiled chicken. I have boiled chicken just with water only. I didn't give anything over here, and rice. Now I'm gonna mix thoroughly, then I will be providing this to the dogs. What happened? Why are they calling, shouting?
Come on. Wait. Ano? Emo. Oh, look at that. It's just terrible. Hey, what happened? What is this? Come on. Well, they're the members of Emma's family. Come on, come this side, guys. Over here. You know, a terrible thing happened, literally. Wait. Actually, wait, honey. Yeah, food is here. Here. It's from here, better. You know what happened? Two dogs over there, that side. They were trying to get some food. Actually, every day I feed them. Most of the days, if I see see them, so I started feeding them. I started giving them food, and suddenly Emma went there. Look at Emma; she came over here also. Suddenly, Emma went there, and those two dogs literally they ran away. They couldn't even eat. Poor dogs. I was waiting for them, but Emma's also waiting over there with me, and that's why because of fear they didn't come. And later on I just left some food over there, but Emma all the food she eaten over there. And look this, honey, you cannot eat from the bag like this, honey. Move. I have given the food over there. Oh my god, you cannot eat from here. Look at her, she's eating from the bag. No, you cannot. No. Move. And let me give on the she's just eating chicken pieces, not rice even. What's wrong with you? And Emma is sitting over here. Look at her. What happened? She has eaten a lot of chicken, and that's why she doesn't have any interest. Actually, she's the one who eats chicken only whenever I bring some non-veg or any kind of chicken or something like that, chicken rice, then only she eats. Otherwise, rest of the time or rest of the day, she doesn't eat anything. Hey, what happened? Oh, I don't know why he's shouting. All right, hey, no, you can't eat from the bag like this. Stop it. And look at her, she's constantly sitting over there. Well, this is the home or the place you can see where the mama doggy, a new mama doggy I found, as you know. They live here. The puppies are there. But where's the mama? Oh, mama's here. She's hiding herself over there probably. Come on, honey, it's okay. Oh my god, she will not come outside probably because these three are here. And she's shouting from there. And the puppies are playing over there. This is a dilemma, I am not getting what to do now with them. Guys, you should go back. You have eaten, right? All of them have eaten. And I left food over there also for them. Seriously, Emma? And all of you, come on. Come this side, honeys. Well, I'll better leave the food over here. Oh, look at them. Nobody's going back. This is so terrible thing actually happening over here. The puppies and the mama dog especially, she's very scared. Look at her. She's not coming today close to me. Honey, it's okay. Come on. She's trying to come, but because of this rest of the 3 dogs, she's not coming over here. And look at her. She's close to the back because she wants some chicken piece. Honey, you cannot do this. I have a lot of dogs to give, to feed, Look at the puppies, they're also showering. Honey, come on, come outside, it's okay. She will not come outside today because of them, okay? I'll better leave the food over here so that they can later on. I'll meet the puppies. The puppies are showering. Alright, I'm just leaving the food over here. The paper plate food. Come on, honey. You eat from here, okay? And for the puppies also, I will leave some food. That's fine. No fighting. No fighting. For the puppies, this one. They'll come and they will eat later on. No, that's fine. That's fine. Hey, no. And okay, I will leave some more food over there so that all of them can eat. They have 4 puppies and 1 mama doggy, so they are 5 members. This is terrible. The mama dog is very, very friendly, She becomes very happy while she meets with me, while she sees me, and look, right now she's not even coming outside. Alright guys, I'm leaving some more food for them and I'll just leave this place. Well, Skinny was that side and he started coming along with me, and this is Lucy. Lucy is also coming. She watched me from that side. Skinny, come on. Lucy and Skinny, both of you come on this side. I'm so sorry extremely because of my voice. The voice is having some issues, as I told you. Come on. Eat, honeys, and no fighting. I do not expect any kind of fighting from any one of you, okay? Go. Lucy, do not. I given you 1 ball over here, chicken, rice, everything. Why do you go there, honey? It's okay, no problem. If you do not fight or if you do not create any chaos among yourselves, then that's fine, everything's fine. If you share foods and if you, what's that? If you share foods and if you befriend, if you cooperate with each other, because sharing is caring. The more you share means the more you are caring. So you should share your you should care your community. You should share foods with your friends, family members, kith and kins, relatives, neighbors, right? What happens? Can you go and eat, honey? Over there, food is there. All my ball is there. Well, probably Skinny is scared due to Lucy. I would bring the ball over here and I'll wait until Alice they finish the food. Well, I'm almost racing to Dusty's family and let's see if Dusty's there. Yesterday, that was the first time I met with Dusty's family. 2 of her puppies came outside. That was totally unexpected. And they started eating yogurt, rice and biscuits. Hopefully they will be visiting today also. Dusty, where's she? Dusty. Oh, there are 2 pigeons over there. They have the nest probably over here. Dusty. Today they're going to miss chicken rice if they don't come outside. Where's Sri and where the puppies? I took a pigeon. Don't be scared of me, honeys. To me only. I can be your friend. Puppies and Dusty. Actually, last night it had rained, and I don't know whether the puppies are okay and if they're fine. Dusty. I think Dusty's come outside for food or something. Okay, I'll be waiting for a while. Let's see. Well, Lucy's puppies are waiting for my herbal. Why are you here? Oh my god, look at him. He should not be over here, right? This is a kind of fruit shop or something like that, and he's sitting over there. You know, people gets offended, and they gets. Lucy, you have eaten a lot. Now it's time for your puppies. Eat. Come here, come this side. Oh god, look at them. They're messing up things. Eat from there also. Yeah. They're just eating only chicken. They're not interested in eating rice. Eat the rice too, yeah. That's great. Hey, no. No fighting. Shh. Do not fight anybody. No, not from the back, please. Wait. I'll give her some. Dusty, Lucy has eaten, and that's why she's not eating now. Okay, I'll keep waiting until I was to finish the food. Where's Ryan? Tina? Where's Ryan? Come on. It's from here. Eat it. What happened? Where's Ryan? She's a very picky eater. Look, she just found this chicken only, and she's not eating rice probably. Oh, she's eating rice. I don't know what's in her mind. She just left the chicken down, and now she's eating rice. What's the logic? Well, where's Ryan? I don't see him. Ryan. What has gone? Oh, he's probably that side. Ryan. Oh yeah, he's that side. But why he's not coming? He's probably looking. Well. Alright, I'll keep waiting for Ryan until he reaches. That one got asleep over there. Oh my god. And what's... Hey, no, please, Veronica. Please. Oh my god, look at Veronica. Please, Veronica, please. And there was rain, as I said, and this is rainwater is falling still from the rooftop over here. Do not cry, honeys. The food is only for you. I came here to give you food. And they know this is the place, this is the dining table where I am going to serve the food, and that's where all of them are going sitting over there. And look, that one is saying, that black puppy, okay, I given her name Zoe. Zoe, that one, that charming one. Yeah, that one. Who grabs attention or who is a very playful. And look, this one. He's a very good boy, you know, whenever I come over here. He just sit silently over there. He just go there. He just go over there up and he will sit silently and he will focus on my eyes and my face. Means and on my bag and on my hand when I'm going to serve the food. Again he is sitting over there. He's a very good boy, you know. Well guys, I'm not going to keep you wait anymore. Let's have a sub, but not over here. This is rain, water. Yeah, let's see. Nothing will happen. No, Zoe, Zoe. Oh my God. Hey, no, please. Oh my goodness, Veronica. You cannot do this. You're the mama, and you should tell your puppies that this is not the way. Let me just sob. No, do not cry. What's the point of crying? Tell me, what's the point of crying? Come this side there. I'm gonna give food today over here. This place is good. He's sitting over there alone. And do not, please. Oh. Veronica, come on, Veronica. Nobody will fight. What happened, Veronica? Eat the piece. She took a piece. And she gone again over there to take another piece probably. Where is she taking that? I'm sorry. This cough and cold is just terrible, you know. No fighting. Do not fight, please. At least do not fight. Zoe, where is Zoe? This is Zoe. Hey, no, please do not fight. They are only eating the chicken piece. Eat the rice also, honeys, please. And do not mess up the things. Oh, yeah.